Hello, Aibawan. You learned several phrases and some sentences and some grammar points in previous lessons. But you might have thought that if you know more singular nouns, you can practice those grammar points and other sentences by changing words. So in this lesson, you're going to learn 50 useful singular nouns. First noun, lamaya. Lamaya. Lamaya means child. But if you want to specifically say whether it's a boy or a girl, you have to use these two words. Pirimi lamaya. If you want to say boy, you have to say pirimi lamaya. Pirimi means male. Lamaya means child. So pirimi lamaya means boy. If you want to say girl, you have to say gahanu lamaya. Gahanu means female. Gahanu lamaya means a girl. As an example, Me gahanu lamaya hondai. This girl is good. Normally, when we speak, we shorten the word gahanu and say ganu. So it's ganu lamaya in spoken language. There are several words like this in Sinhala. The spoken language has several ways to shorten the words to pronounce easily. Next noun, paula. Paula. Paula means family. Paula. Mage paula, my family. Next word, gedara. Gedara means home or house. Gedara. Gedara. Mage gedara, my house. Mage gedara. Next word, mala. Mala means flower. Mala. Me mala, this flower. Me mala. Gaha means tree. Gaha. Me gaha usai. This tree is tall. Me gaha usai. Next word, kudaya. 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 Umbrella. Oyage kudaya. Your umbrella. Oyage kudaya. Normally, we make it shorter and pronounce it as kude. Oyage kude. Next word, anda. Anda. Bed. Anda. Me and the lokui. This bed is big. Me and the lokui. Sapatuva. Sapatuva. Shoe. Sapatuva is the singular word and the plural word is sapatu, which means shoes. Sapatu. Kamaraya. Kamaraya. Room. Kamaraya. Normally we pronounce it as kamare. Kamare. Mage kamare, my room. The word for the kitchen is kussiya. Kussiya means kitchen. Me kussiya lassanai. This kitchen is beautiful. Hand, spoon. Pihiya, knife. Garuppuva, fork. Hand, pihiya, garuppuva. Ara handa den, give me that spoon, or ara pihiya den, give me that knife. Bittiya, wall. Bittiya. Me bittiya lokui. This wall is big. Itipandama. Itipandama, candle. Me itipandama hondaida. Me itipandama hondaida. Is this candle good? Me itipandama hondaida. Hinaya. Hinaya, dream. When we speak, we shorten it and say hine. Hine. Oyage hine mokadda. What is your dream? Oyage hine mokadda. Next word, kottaya. Kottaya, pillow. Kottaya. But when we speak, we shorten it and say kotte. Mama me kotteta kamati. I like this pillow. Mama me kotteta kamati. Next, let's look at some words related to the nature. Tanakola, grass. Tanakola. Tanakola, kolepatai. Tanakola, grass. Kolepatai, green. Next word, vassa, rain. Vassa hondai, the rain is good. Next word, ira. Ira, sun. Ira lokui, the sun is big. Next word, handa. Handa is moon. Handa lassanai. The moon is beautiful. Gala. Gala means stone or rock. Me gala kalu patai. This stone is black color. Rattaran. Rattaran. Gold. Rattaran. Meka rattaran patai. This thing is gold color. Yakada. Yakada. Iron. Yakada. Me yakada godak hayai. This iron is very strong. Diamanti. Diamond. Diamanti. Diamanti malaya. Diamanti malaya. Diamond necklace. Shaktiya. Shaktiya means energy or like strength. Mata shaktiya na. I don't have energy. I don't have strength. Mata shaktiya na. Dupata. Dupata. Island. Dupata. Sri Lanka Dupatak. Sri Lanka is an island. Lokaya. World. Lokaya. But when we say this, we say it as loke. Me loke. This world. Prashnaya. Question. Prashnaya. But in the spoken language, we say it as prashne. Now I said this sentence several times. When we say this, like in the spoken language, we say it like this. Actually, most of these words have the same logic to change it. When the noun ends with a y sound, we change it to e or a sounds when we speak. Some more examples are like this. Hinaya, hine. Kottaya, kotte. Chinaya, chine. Japanaya, japane. There are so many words like this. This is how we say these words in normal, casual conversations. Remember, we add a sound to give the meaning in to. You can learn that in the next video. Next word is uttaraya. Answer. You can see that this word also ends with a ya sound. So let's say it as what we just learned. Uttare. Uttare. There are some words like this, you have to add the long sound of a instead of just a. Next word, pattaraya. Pattaraya means newspaper. But as you can see, it ends with aya, so we say pattare. Me pattare hondai. This newspaper is good. Next word, velanda danvima. Velanda danvima. Advertisement. Velanda danvima. Mama me velanda danvimata kamathi. I like this advertisement. Kannadiya. Mirror. Kannadiya. Kannadiyen balanna. Look in the mirror. It's like look using the mirror. Kannadiyen balanna. But the word for the glasses or spectacles is kannadi deka. Kannadi deka. You know deka means two. Kannadi deka means like two glasses. So that's how we say spectacles. Oyage kannadi deka koheda. Where are your spectacles? Mesaya. Mesaya. Table. You see that a sound, so we change it to mese. Mese uda. On the table. You will learn more location words in the next video. Putua. Chair. Putua yata. Under the chair. Pansala. Pencil. Mata pansalak then. Give me a pencil. Pana. Pen. Pana. Oyata panak oneda. Do you want a pen? Janelaya. Window. Janelaya. You can see that a sound here, so we change it to janele. Janele langa. Near the window. Dora. Dora means door. Dora. Dora vahanna. Close the door. Muhuda. Ocean. Muhuda. Muhuda godak lakui. The ocean is very big. Kantaraya. Desert. You can change this word kantaraya to kantare because that aya sound is there. Kantarete yanna epa. Don't go to the desert. Kanda. Mountain. Kanda. Kand nagin, climb the mountain. Dedun, rainbow. Dedun. Dedun, lasana. The rainbow is beautiful. Kudaram, tent. Kudaram. Kudaram, lokui. The tent is big. Ganga, Ganga. Ganga, river. Ganga Langa, near the river. Ganga Langa. Holma, ghosts. Mama, holmang walata bayai. I'm scared of ghosts. Kodiya, flag. Kodiya. Kodiya, podi. The flag is small. Now you know 50 more Sinhala nouns. Try to make some sentences with all the grammar points and words you have learned so far and comment your sentences below. I'll correct them as a reply comment if there are mistakes. Let's see who's going to make the longest sentence. You will learn animals, vegetables, professions, places, body parts, etc. in separate lessons. In the next lesson, you will learn some location words. Don't forget to watch that video. If you want to get updates about future lessons like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. If there are any Sinhala speakers watching this video, you can learn English, Chinese and other languages in Sinhala on lingocrown Sinhala channel. The link is in the description box below. If you want to join an online Sinhala class to learn from a tutor, check araliaacademy.com. The link is in the description box. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.